Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we got a pretty special truck. It's a 1950 Dodge 5-window B3 Pilot House. Very rare. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. What are we doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Cool truck, bro.
Thanks.
I don't think I'll ever see another one of these around.
No, I don't believe you will. 1950 B3.
Okay.
Original Texas truck. No rotten or anything. We made it look like a little Tonka toy. It's got dualies.
It's from a Ford, right?
On a Ford, right, with adapters.
Cool.
Original drivetrain, all cleaned up nice and pretty.
Straight 6 is under the hood.
Yeah, straight 6.
Love the color. Chrysler color?
That's it. Chrysler, 1956 Chrysler color.
Very cool. Very fitting with the black.
Shaded teal, yeah.
And I love those corner windows. Just so cool.
Yeah, that's that pilot house. It's like a boat kind of situation where you can see everything around you.
Huh. Beautiful straight body. Love the wood back here. It's Trex, right?
Wood Trex. I like to use what I got, so put some in there that was nice and durable and worry about scratching it up.
I have the same exact wood on my deck. Exact. Timber tech. You got Rhino lining up on the rails.
Yeah, everything's Rhino lined on the rear and painted the same color.
Painted to match. Beautiful stainless steel hardware all the way around.
Custom widened fenders.
Oh, you had to widen those, huh?
Yeah, we had to widen 6 inches.
God.
To receive those wheels.
So how wide are they now?
What are they? I think if I can remember 16 or so inches wide.
That looks about 16.
The truck is a 92-inch stance.
Wow, so it's 92 inches wide.
Wide from tire to tire, yeah.
Man, definitely Tonka truck. This teal is pretty too. Looks all color sanded and beautiful. You had the body off?
Nope.
No.
No need. We got underneath it.
Wow, looks great.
Wire brushed everything else. Get all the Texas dirt off of it. Sprayed up underneath. The rear was off. The bed was off.
Yeah.
It was disassembled completely and painted apart and then assembled.
Gotcha.
And
Great.
the front fenders and everything were off as well. So this was all apart.
Yep. Nice stout grill up front.
Yeah.
That's just pretty.
Original bumper. Original front pieces.
Very cool. I like what you did with the interior. It's got Ostrich interior, completely custom. The brown on the teal is just a killer color combo.
I think so.
Banjo wheel.
Yeah, the Freightliner Banjo wheel.
So nice.
The
Very
big
fitting.
truck feel.
Yeah, nice big wide wheel in your hands. Very cool. This is all Ostrich too. It's got a super nice texture to it. Again, it looks like stainless hardware. Ooh. Very cool. Manual trans. Is it a 3-speed or 4-speed? Love this radio, how it's straight up.
Radio is original, doesn't function.
Yeah. Looks cool though. Blinkers you got going on. Ostrich up here as well. Beautiful headliner. Let's check out under the hood.
Original drivetrain.
Is that a Hurricane?
Yes, it is, I believe.
Awesome, that's a great motor. Super torquey, runs like a top.
Yeah, I'm not the mechanic, so you know. But she definitely is.
Looks like a Hurricane. Straight 6.
Yeah.
Great motor. Let's fire it up. Single draft carb. Downdraft. Very nice.
Great motor,
very reliable. Very cool. Nice big radiator. Very cool. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website, webeautos.com. Keep in mind we do worldwide shipping and financing. Thanks a lot and have a great day.